What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It is Matthew here with John Wayne Martial Arts, and today we're going to be bringing you episode 2 of social media safety tips. This time we're going to talk about showing you guys who they follow as well as people who follow them. So to begin with, we're going to start on Instagram. So for demonstrative purposes, we're going to use John Wayne Martial Arts' account, and we're going to look up my personal account for the example. So this is your main account tab. Down on the bottom, the second from left, there is a little search icon. What you do is you click on that icon, a search bar will pop up. All you gotta do is type in the account name like so. Once you find the account name, all you gotta do is click on it. Once you click on it, their account should pop up, and there are two tabs at the top. One that says following and one that says followers. By clicking the corresponding one, you'll get the corresponding information. So for example, by clicking followers, you can see who follows them, and by clicking following, you can see who they follow. Same thing applies for TikTok. Go into the Discover tab down below, click on it, type the account name. Once you find it, click on the account. Again, the following tab shows who they are following, and the followers tab shows who's following them. Super simple tip just so you can monitor who they follow and who follows them, just to make sure their first social media account is going smoothly. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tip. If you guys have any questions, please do let us know, and we'll be glad to address them and help you guys out. So until the next episode, it's been Matthew with John Wayne Martial Arts. Take it easy, guys. Peace.